On the 25th of March 2026, Discord had a major voice outage. This is a summary of its incident report. Discord runs a session service which manages connections for every user device. Users can connect over mobile or desktop and expect messages to be synced across devices. Since Discord has over 200 million monthly active users, the session service horizontally scales to meet increasing demand. Here, Discord's engineers tried to optimize the architecture by vertically scaling the session service, with the hope that this would reduce the minimum CPU overhead per server. After scaling up the servers, the older ones would be discarded. But a safety check, which is designed to wait for events in progress, ran longer than the Kubernetes termination grace period, meaning the health check started failing and Kubernetes assumed that the pods are dead. Since this affected only half of the sessions in the US East region, the outage only affected 17% of the sessions globally. But 17% is enough to create a thundering herd. Every dead session sent a disconnect message to the gateway, asking clients to reconnect. This resulted in millions of clients trying to connect at the same time, with the US East region servers running out of memory and crashing. As the connections failed over to the other zones, the effect was felt worldwide. On top of this, many sessions had to recreate voice connections, which depended on an Erlang service. These connections were created synchronously, one by one, with each connection taking about 1 millisecond to start. The server was unable to process them timely, and none of the incoming requests could get through. Even health checks from Kubernetes could not get through, resulting in 14 out of the 15 voice instances being dropped out of the cluster, effectively killing Discord's voice service. Engineers tried targeted restarts, but the servers kept failing. If any instance recovered, it was immediately crushed by the pending connection requests. Discord's engineers then tried a full cluster restart, which also failed. The thundering herd of connections was too hard on the system. So Discord's engineers then tried aggressive rate limits and doubled the cluster size. This resulted in the full recovery, with the outage lasting for a little more than 3 hours. As an engineer, this is a good reminder why rate limiting and back pressure are essential in distributed systems. You can learn more about fault tolerance at Interview Ready. Thanks for watching. Cheers.